December, a summer day, a dusty life. He sailed the seas, living on a boat of paper. There were times he left the door to claim the love by the shore. Now Joe stood, he looked over December sea. He thought life ain't what it used to be. The paper boats have reached the pier, and Joe found the light out by December sea. Grace pulled the curtains to a summer morn. She'd play around from dusk till dawn. Never realized she was all alone till summer came. She walked by December sea and found a paper boat that set her free. Joe and Grace looked over December sea and thought life ain't what it used to be. That it's love that makes you see how alone it's been, how lost at sea. And together Joe and Grace walked by December sea.